Before I show you some more emails of Jeffrey Epstein actively coaching Larry Summers on how to hit on someone he was supposed to be mentoring in economics, I want you to keep in mind that Larry Summers is currently the Frank and Denis Weil director of the Mosavad Rahmani Center for Business and Government at Harvard, and also the Charles W. Eliot University professor at Harvard. He holds these titles despite what I'm about to show you. So this is in late fall of 2018. We're reading from the bottom up. Epstein says, "I'm a pretty good wingman, no? Any more how great Larry is comments and I would have had to barf great fun." Again, some of these are very hard to decipher. Larry Summers writes back, "You were good. Thought if you didn't know that we had been a couple, she gave it away with familiarity and barbed comments. Think for now I'm going nowhere with her except economics mentor. I think I'm right now in the scene very warmly in rearview mirror category. She did not want to get a drink as she was tired. I left the hotel lobby somewhat abruptly. When I'm reflective, I think I'm dodging a bullet. There are huge ups with her, but very self-involved, and to get her to be good probably requires more firmness than I enjoy. Think right thing is to cut off contact. Suspect she will miss it. Problem is I will too." I'll show you what comes after that, but I just wanted to pause for us to reflect on the fact that this is someone who he knows he's supposed to be serving as a mentor and who he's discussing making moves on or advancing some kind of romantic relationship with a known sexual predator. This is in 2018. Epstein had his plea deal back in 2009. Here's what comes next in this exchange, starting from the bottom up. Pause to read. Now put yourself in this woman's shoes. She thinks she has a mentor in Larry Summers. She presumably was getting advice or feedback from him on her presentation. And the whole time he's there watching her presentation, he's thinking about how to get her clothes off. Then Epstein essentially credits Summers for this young woman's excellent presentation, saying, "Well, your debating tips obviously worked." Pause to read the rest. They go on to have more emails, presumably about the same young woman, in March of 2019, in which Larry Summers is asking things like whether he should call her or whether he should wait, and getting other strategic feedback, if you will, from Jeffrey Epstein. And I just want to make it clear that no one is owed these titles. I don't know if Frank and Denis Weil or Charles W. Eliot or their families know about any of this, but if I were at all affiliated with Harvard, which I am not, I would be trying to make sure that all the people named here know exactly what has transpired in these emails.